Why migrate tasks between project management tools?
Migrating tasks between project management tools allows you to take advantage of better features, improved collaboration, or company-wide changes. A successful migration ensures you don't lose work or productivity, making transitions smoother for teams and individuals. Knowing how to transfer your tasks correctly prevents mistakes, missed deadlines, and confusion.
What should I prepare before migrating?
Before you start, review and clean up your tasks. Remove outdated items, complete unfinished work, and organize projects. Make a backup of your existing data in case anything goes wrong. Familiarize yourself with the new tools, import options, and check for compatible formats like CSV or JSON. Good preparation helps avoid data loss and eases the transition.
Can I automate the migration process?
Many project management tools offer import or export features to help automate migration. Look for integration options such as built-in import wizards, direct tool integrations, or third-party services. Automating the process reduces manual work and errors. However, double-check for missing attachments, comments, or custom fields after the transfer.
What steps should I follow for a smooth migration?
Start by exporting your tasks from the old tool, usually as a CSV or Excel file. Next, map out fields so everything matches in the new tool, like titles, due dates, and assignments. Import the data following the new platform's instructions. Finally, review everything to ensure it transferred correctly and adjust as needed.
Any tips for post-migration success?
After migrating, review your tasks and projects in the new tool. Check for missing or duplicated entries and confirm assignments. Communicate with your team about any changes or new processes. Offer short training sessions if needed, and keep an eye out for feedback so you can quickly address any issues.